Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you the box, a Treehouse shipping container getaway in Ohio, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this shipping container getaway. The box is a shipping container, modern natural retreat of oneness with nature in a minimalist design that will delight the senses. This one-story private guest house is made from a single 40-foot high cube shipping container. To minimize the impact of the project on the environment, the shipping container sits on a large concrete support to elevate it off the ground, but functionally to provide a vantage height to enjoy the view. The container cabin is covered with black siding to blend in and recede into the woods within the leafy environment. The main door opens into a bedroom with a queen-sized bed and an air mattress for additional sleeping space for two. There is a full bathroom, a kitchenette equipped with a small refrigerator, a microwave, a hot plate, tableware, and a fresh press coffee maker to enjoy the locally roasted, fresh ground coffee. The rest of the space is made into a living area with all you need to enjoy your stay. The living area is nicely furnished and is surrounded by huge windows looking into the treetops. The large transparent glass openings create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to nature. The corrugated container walls are visible throughout the interior to bring out the industrial aesthetic of the design. There is an indoor-outdoor shower, usable during the warmer months of the year to enjoy a shower in the great outdoors under the big sky. You can take a break and sink into the meditation lounge seats on the deck next to the treehouse as you relax and gaze into the foliage above. The deck is equipped with a natural gas fire pit, ideal to keep warm on a cold summer night. A wooded trail that leads to the container cabin has LED rail-mounted lights to give a soft glow to the trail and to trim it beautifully at night. The trees around the building provide natural shade to the building and a shaded canopy above the outdoor spaces, allowing the house to blend seamlessly into the trees. This amazing cabin is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out to find out more about the bookings. We love the exterior finish that helps the container cabin to camouflage into the forested backdrop. Which part of this container cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.